the white captains. There you go. The show has officially started. From Oscar Jaco in Trainer TV. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer April. Now for our next feature, birds are just like any rare we photo. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Kind of romantic, right? But as anyone will go that in a relationship, there will always be battles. These Sass and Rocky are beautiful pair of great people. Today, they will battle out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, everybody will need to do this. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, let me hear say Sassy, 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 Sassy. And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, let me hear say Rocky, Rocky. All right, friends ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here's Sassy is first ball. Now we're ready for Rocky. And here's what do you see about the trainer, Mikey? You guys lose this time.
Golden, we want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, trainer Mark.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about a remake.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole, then fastest is the winner. And that is a remix.
So, a ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time, our ring race. Alright, set, go! Okay, let's see who's coming. Here's Sassy on her first ring. Oh, here is happening. Sassy ring of the birds at the same time. How far is that? And the winner is Sassy. Our applause for Sassy and Rocky, the trainer Mark and trainer Mikey. Battles are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. So, here's Sassy once again and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its forward stop. Just like Sassy, three macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow to 92 centimeters length and can be up to 8 years old. Scientifically, these are chlorophylla. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for the last shape,